Hello everyone, I am Wabisa Balekundri. My USN is 2BO22CV063. Today, I want to explain the concept of social connect and responsibility. In this, we are having the 5 activities. So, our first activity is plantation and adoption of a tree. So my plant name is aloe vera plant. Aloe vera belonging to the aloe genus is believed to have originated in the Arabian Peninsula. The plant thrives arid climates and is well adapted to survive in regions with limited water. Aloe vera is characterized by its fleshy lens-shaped leaves that contain a gel-like substance. The plant typically reaches a height of 24 to 39 inches, and aloe vera plant is having so many benefits. So our first benefit is skin care. Skin care it is very useful, and the aloe vera plant is useful and the aloe vera plant is useful in digest to aid immune support, anti-inflammatory, oral health, and wound healing. Hair care. In hair care, it nourishes the scalp reduces dandruff and promotes healthy hair growth. In digestive aid digestion, relies in digestion, conception, and IBS symptoms. Immune support boosts the immune system with the original flament. And our next activity is heritage walk and crafts corner. Belgaum Fort, also known as the Shapur Fort, history dating back to the 13th century, originally built the Ratta density. It underwent several renovations under different rules. The fort's architecture is a blend of various styles influenced by the different densities that ruled over. I am visiting the Kamal Basti. As we all know, Kamal Basti is a historical place in Belgaum, and it is a very famous historical place. One of the notable structure within the fort is Kamal Basti. It is a Jain temple renowned for its architectural beauty and spiritual significance. The intricate carvings and sculptures within the temple left a longing. And our third activity is organic farming and waste management. Organic farming promotes the use of crop rotations and cover crops, and encourages balanced host relationship. Organic residues and nutrients produced on the farm are recycled back to the soil. Cover crops and compost manure are used to maintain soil organic matter and fertility. Organic farming in India is an agricultural process uses pest control derived from organic manure and animal or plant waste. In organic farming, we are having so many benefits through the organic farming. Through the organic farming, we are having this farming is started to respond the environmental suffering caused by the chemical benefits of organic farming. Environmental sustainability. Organic farming organic farming practices prioritize health, support of biodiversity, reduce environmental impact, and healthier farm workers. In by avoiding the use of synthetic pesticide and fertilizer, organic farming reduces the risk of exposure to potentially harmful chemicals of farm workers, neighboring communities, and consumer. In this manner, organic farming having the benefits in healthier farm workers. So our next activity is our next activity is waste management. As we all know, waste management or waste disposal includes the as we all know waste management includes the process action and required to manage waste from its inception to final disposal. This includes the collection, transparent, etc. So our next activity is water conservation. As we all know, water, the essence of life, sustains ecosystems, supports agriculture, drives industry, and ensures human health and well-being. However, with global population growth, rapid urbanization, water scarcity, pollution, and degradation threaten ecosystem and livelihoods worldwide. Water is very necessary in human life. Water In this presentation, we will delve into the critical importance of water conservation in exploring the multifaceted issues surrounding ways of conservation of water. Many water saving devices that are useful in homes can also be useful for business water saving. Other water saving technology for business includes water saving stream sterilizer for use in hospital and healthcare facilities. As we all know, rainwater harvesting, water to water heat exchanging, waterless urinals, waterless car washes, infrared or foot operated taps which can save water by using short bursts of water for rising in a kitchen or bathroom. Pressurized water brooms which can be used instead of a house to clean. So our next activity is food walk. In food walk, I am preparing the chana chat. The preparation of chana chat is in a mixing bowl. Combine chickpeas, finally chop onion, tomato, cucumber, and optionally green chill for a bit of heat. Serve the chana chaat chill, making it refreshing and flavorful salad or snack option for any occasion. As we all know, in chana chaat we are having low in calories, heart healthy, loaded with vitamins and minerals, rich in fiber, high in protein, as we all know, hydration and detoxification. Thank you.